Hi guys, at Continental we strive to offer you exactly the products you need to help you with your daily work. To do this, we need feedback from you. How easy are the products to fit? Do you find our tools easy to handle? What new products would you like to see? Thanks to your input, we know exactly what workshops really need for their day-to-day operations. One current example of this is this tensioner pulley, which we have made specific improvements to. I'm going to let my colleague Dino from Technical Service tell you more. Hi Dino, come in. Hi Stefan. What input did you receive from workshops regarding this tensioner pulley and what have you done about it? Well, for example, we found out that circlip pliers are often used for this tensioner pulley rather than a tension wrench. That's not a good idea because the spring here can become unhooked. That sounds like a tip to me. Always use the special tool you'll find in our toolboxes. Yes, it is always worth using the special tools. We nevertheless wondered if we could change the design of the tensioner pulley to prevent this from happening. Let me guess, you came up with something. Of course, we changed the design of the point where the spring hooks into place. It is V-shaped on the old tensioner pulley. But on the new version it has a U-shape. This means it's impossible for the spring to slip out. What an ingenious bunch you are! It's a small change for a tensioner pulley that has a big impact on safety. Our thanks to the mechanics who diligently provide us with feedback from the field. Keep your feedback coming so that we can turn it into intelligent product improvements. If there is anything you want to say now, please post a comment and give the video a like. See you again soon in the workshop.